Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum educarians. I hope you are doing well and taking good care of yourself. Welcome in computer class, lesson number 4. Dear students, the topic we are going to discuss is files and folders. Dear students, before going to start lesson number 4, let's take a quick review of lesson number 3, application window. Dear students, when we double click on an icon on the desktop, it opens in a new window. It is called the application window. Let's come to know the components of application window. Here is title bar. This is the blue or pink strip on the top. It displays the name of the window. Control buttons. There are 3 buttons on the extreme right of the title bar. They are called control buttons. Menu bar. It is just below the title bar. It contains the menu for different tasks. For example, file, edit, view, home, share, etc. Work area. Dear students, in this area, we may find the list of folders and files or a work for typing and drawing. Let's start lesson number 4. Dear students, the material required for today's lesson is lead pencil, eraser, sharpener, highlighter, ruler, computer textbook, computer notebook, and winter pack. I hope all of you are having this material and get ready for today's lesson. Unit number 3, MS Windows, the operating system. The contents included in this lesson are understanding files and folders, editing files and folders, creating new folder. Dear students, I hope by the end of this lesson you will be able to learn about what are files and folders. You will be able to know how to edit files and folders and how to create files and folders. So let's have a look. Please open your computer textbook and come to page number 30. Write today's task, day and date on your textbook. Understanding files and folders. Let's come to know about files. Dear students, a file is a resource for storing information. फाइल हमारे पास एक रिसोर्स है इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर करने का टू यूज इन फ्यूचर फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. डियर स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि हम अपना डेटा और अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को कॉपीज पे राइट करते हैं और उसको हम फ्यूचर में कभी भी यूज कर सकते हैं, सिमिलरली फाइल्स भी हमारे पास एक रिसोर्स है इंफॉर्मेशन को सेव करने का. स्टूडेंट्स, हम फाइल से अपना डेटा लंबे अरसे के लिए सेव कर सकते हैं और फ्यूचर में उसको कभी भी यूज कर सकते हैं. A file can be saved, renamed or deleted. Dear students, हम फाइल में इंफॉर्मेशन राइट करने के बाद उस फाइल को कंप्यूटर में सेव भी कर सकते हैं और जब कभी भी चाहें उस फाइल का हम नेम भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. और इसी तरह डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमें जिस फाइल की ज़रूरत नहीं है हम उस फाइल को कभी भी कंप्यूटर से डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं. These are some icons of files as you can see in the figure. Dear students, each icon is different as it shows the software in which the file is saved. Dear students, हमारे पास कुछ फाइल्स के आइकन्स स्लाइड पे शो हो रही हैं as you can see in the figure. But dear students, हमारे पास हर आइकन डिफरेंट है बिकॉज हमारे पास ये फाइल्स डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर में सेव हुई हुई हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जो हमारे पास फर्स्ट आइकन है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वो फाइल हमारे पास माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस वर्ड में सेव हुई हुई है. सेकंड पिक्चर हमारे पास माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस एक्सेल की है और जो हमारे पास थर्ड पिक्चर है हमारी वो फाइल माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस एक्सेस में सेव हुई हुई है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाईलाइट द मेन पॉइंट्स ऑन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. Let's come to know about folder. Dear students, a folder is like a bag that stores a group of files or other folders, means subfolders. Folder हमारे पास एक बैग की तरह है जिसके अंदर हम अपनी स्मॉल फाइल्स और दूसरे स्मॉल फोल्डर्स को सेव कर सकते हैं. फोल्डर कीप द फाइल्स ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय ग्रुपिंग देम. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फोल्डर में हमारे पास फाइल्स तरतीब से एक ग्रुप की फॉर्म में सेव रहती हैं और हम जब कभी चाहें किसी फाइल को वहां से ओपन कर सकते हैं. A school bag is a good example of a folder. हमारे पास फोल्डर की सबसे अच्छी एग्जाम्पल एक स्कूल बैग है that contains files like books and copies. This is how a folder look. This is the icon of new folder. It can be named according to the what it contains. Dear students, हम फोल्डर का नेम भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. These are some example of files. Don't forget to underline no more. There are different kinds of files. Some of the commonly used files are text files, audio files, video files, and program files. Know the shortcut keys. Dear students, we can use the Alt plus F4 keys together to shut down the window. हम विंडोज को क्लोज करने के लिए शॉर्टकट कीज भी यूज कर सकते हैं. आप कीबोर्ड की मदद से Alt and F4 कीज को एक साथ प्रेस करके विंडो को शट डाउन कर सकते हैं. Dear students, highlight the main points on your textbook. Let's recall unit number 3. The operating system is the manager of a computer. Microsoft Windows is the most commonly used operating system. There are three things that we see on the desktop. These are wallpaper, icons, and taskbar. Wallpaper is the background picture that we see on our desktop. Dear students, taskbar is a long rectangular bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Icons are small pictures that we see on the desktop. Highlight the main points on your textbook. Dear students, please open your winter bag and come to page number 14. Let's complete the worksheet number 1 of unit number 3, MS Windows, the operating system. The question number 4 is, write what this picture indicates. Dear students, this is the icon of shutdown button. This is the icon of My Document. This is the icon of Microsoft Word. Here is the icon of Recycle Bin. This is the icon of Internet Explorer. Solve the question number 4 on your worksheet with the help of this slide. Let's start question number 5. Match the column A with column B. My computer. Dear students, this icon helps us to work in different vibes. Internet Explorer. It enables us to connect the computer. Recycle Bin stores the deleted files and folders. My Document. It stores the documents or folders created by us. My Network Places. It displays the computers connected to our computer through internet. Dear students, solve question number 5 on your winter bag with the help of this slide. I hope today's topics are now clear and you got each and every point. Dear students, it's time to write tasks to do. The task to do for you is learn highlighted points of unit number 3 from page number 30 and 31. Learn and solve worksheet on your winter bag and paste it on your notebook. I hope today's topic will be helpful for you. Best of luck for your home task. Allah Hafiz.